Hello viewers, let's solve some advanced level questions. First one, ABCD is a rectangle with AB is equal to 4 units and AD is equal to 6 units. ABCD is a rectangle, AB is equal to 4 units, AD is equal to 6 units. AC is extended to point E such that C is the midpoint of AE. Find the length of B. So let's join B. Now draw a parallel line or extend this DC. DC is already parallel to AB. Just extend it such that it meets at point F. To find BE, we have to know either BF plus FE. So in that way we will see. One more point is given, C is the midpoint. As C is the midpoint, from midpoint theorem, considering AEB triangle, if CF is parallel to AB, then AC is to CE and EF is to FB will be in the same ratio. So as C is the midpoint, F is also the midpoint. So if F is the midpoint, BE will be 2 times of BF. So even if we can find BF, we can get the solution. So what is the length of BC? 6, because AD is 6. From midpoint theorem, CF will be half of AB. CF will be half of AB. So CF is equal to half of AB. What is the value of AB? 4. So half of 4 will get its length as 2. So from this right angle triangle BCF, we can find BF length. So hypotenuse, it will be the hypotenuse of the triangle. BF square is equal to 6 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 40. So value of BF will be root of 40. So root 40 is nothing but 2 root 10. But what is asked? BE value. BE is 2 times of BF, that is equal to 4 root 10 units. Next question. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that BC perpendicular to AB. Okay, let's draw that. Let us take B, because the common point is B for both. If it is perpendicular means, so definitely the angle should be right angle at B. So it is AB, C. Another point D is there in the quadrilateral, ABC over D is there. Let us assume somewhere, it may be somewhere in this region. And it is also given on another condition, BD is perpendicular to AD. So take D in such a way that AD should be perpendicular to BD. So angle D is also 90. So let's join DC also. This is the quadrilateral and BD is one of its diagonal. And now next condition is AB is equal to BC. So AB is equal to BC. And BD is given equal to X and AD is given equal to Y. Find CD in terms of the value of this dotted line in terms of X and Y. So now how to do this? Let's see. As this is right angle triangle, AB will become hypotenuse in the triangle ADB. Therefore, it will be square root of X square plus Y square. As AB is given equal to BC, BC also square root of X square plus Y square. Now let's draw a line here, perpendicular line to AB from D. Similarly, this side also draw a perpendicular line. Let this point is equal to E. Let us consider CD is equal to Z. Z we have to identify. Let us assume this height as H. Now in right angle triangle, the value of H will be equal to X into Y, AB by C, where C is the hypotenuse. So XY by square root of X square plus Y square, or we can apply half into XY area value is equal to half into this triangle area we are writing. So what is height of the triangle? H. So into H. So H we will get XY is by root of X square plus Y square. So that's how we got h value. So now this is also equal to h. Therefore, from here what is the value of CE? That is nothing but CB value, root of x square plus y square minus h. From this triangle, what is the value of z? Hypotenuse. This is also right angle triangle. We can write z square is equal to CE square plus DE square. So z square is equal to, what is CE square? Root of x square plus y square minus h whole square plus DE square. Now in this right angle triangle also we can find DE. DE is nothing but DE square plus BE square is equal to x square. So that is nothing but x square minus h square. DE square plus h square is equal to x square. So DE square is x square minus h square. So now if we substitute, z square is equal to, let's expand first, x square plus y square plus h square minus 2h into root of x square plus y square plus x square minus h square. In this, h square gets cancelled and z square value will be equal to 2x square plus y square minus, what is h into root of x square plus y square? That is xy. So 2xy we will get. So z value will be equal to, square root of, we will take positive value, 2x square plus y square minus 2xy completely. So z is under root 2x square plus y square minus 2xy. That is nothing but the value of CD. Thank you very much for watching this video.